Hello, my crafty friends. How are you today? Brenda from Your Way Crafting. Thank you for being here with me. We are doing the final flip through of Adrienne's Cottage. So first, Genesis 2, thus the heavens and the earth were completed in all of their vast array. By the seventh day, God had finished the work and he had been doing. So on the seventh day, he rested from all of his works. And God blessed the seventh day and made it holy, because on it he rested from all the work of creating that he had done. It is finished. Yay! So I can get it sent out. So this is the case. I think I made it a little too small because, nobody was here to stop me. So it is 8 inches by 9.25 inches, and it's about an inch thick. I stuck on a little dangle, and the kits that I've used were from Janie B Journals, ink or compass and ink, and pink Monarch prints. I was going to use Shabby Dabby Doodas, but I found that it didn't quite fit because it just started going off into different directions. And I also used some are the mushrooms from Poppiness, and the links will be listed below. So here I just stuck on a little dangle in my life, and then she can fill in. I made these little cards to go in the pockets in the front. Just want to make sure I'm in frame here. And then there's a pocket here with some little cards and more journaling cards. Those were from Pink Monarch prints, or Pink Monarch designs. Pink Monarch prints, I think. So that goes here, and then in the back I have used the pockets or the postcards to make pockets in the back. And like I said in the previous video, I got the idea from Sandy that was in the Shabby Dabby Doodah group. She made paper clips out of the tabs, and I thought that was a genius idea, but I didn't make them paper clips. And this is Adrienne's Cottage. I just stuck that there in a tab, and then these 3 tags, but the silk ribbon keeps coming undone, so I might have to glue them in. So now we'll take a look on the inside. I had to stop embellishing because, yeah, as you see, she's pretty chunky. So that'll go like that. Now the journal is 7 1/8 by 8 1/8. So here, my granddaughter made a little outside ring here with Adrienne's Cottage, established in 1974, not 1774. Oops, sorry, Adrienne. And I put flowers and little deer and whatnot, some mushrooms, little rabbits. And here on the inside, as you can see, I'm not going to talk now. I'm going to not fast forward, but I'll put the music on because most of the information that I give is already there. If there's anything, I will turn down the music and explain, and then I'll put the music back again. So you got most of the measurements. These here are Adrienne's initials. That's me looking for food. Okay, not funny. Now, I didn't embellish these parts here. I put them in the envelope, the little centerpiece, so that she can, there's a tag spot here and here, here and here. I figured she could embellish if she wanted, because I wanted to leave something for her to do. So if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. And may God bless you and keep you safe. I have to... Nope, that's not how it goes. Like, and then like that. So she's, as you see, she's pretty chunky.